Hi guys, I have another scrapbook layout for you today, and this one I kind of did a little different in my planning. I want to do this photo of my friend and I and her friend on her birthday. So I pulled products here that I feel complement the photo with those beige undertones and the deep dark colors that are in it as well. So there's the photo. Papers that I have pulled out. Move all these embellishments and stuff that I had kind of pulled as well. So I just have some basic scrap of a navy cardstock. I'm sure that came in a Studio Calico kit. I like actually both sides. I like this part, and then I also like this part as well, this lighter blue for the layout as well. So, sorry, some truck outside is revving their engine. I want to try to hopefully incorporate those papers. And then I pulled all three of these large papers out. I think what I want to do with this one is fussy cut the floral out. I know, I'm not big on floral, but I don't know why. I just felt like this one should be, maybe add some floral to it since we were kind of in a fancier place. So I'm gonna kind of fussy cut this floral out. It's my idea. And then I like the colors here. And then just this one too as an extra accent. Then these papers actually came out of this big Heidi Swap 12 by 12 pad. I don't know if it has a name or not. Looks like I got it at Tuesday morning. But anyways, it came out of this pad of papers. So that's my ideas for the papers. Now I also wanted to maybe incorporate some of my wood veneer cameras here. I don't know, maybe some other ones that I have in here as well. But I know I kind of want the cameras for sure. I don't know why, but I love ampersands. And yeah, so those are those. Then maybe incorporate, I have some of these, looks like old Studio Calico gold sequins or copper, kind of goldy copper sequins to incorporate. I found this old Prima flower. I think it came actually out of this Prima packaging, but it was just laying in the thing. These Prima flowers, kind of maybe want to incorporate those. Maybe not the orange one because there's not really any orange in here, but these three other ones for this layout. Like I said, this is just stuff I pulled. I feel like it would maybe work. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. This October Afternoon 5 and Dime word stickers, which I know is really, really old. But there's some things in here, like this is cute, this little strip. And I kind of like the fun times. Friends. Anyways, maybe some of these enamel dots, because I like the colors matched from My Mind's Eye, Market Street. I actually like, I don't know if they really work now that I look at it. Maybe not this one. I don't know why, but these hearts always from the Beautiful Mess keep getting used. The colors just keep working. So there's those. Then as well, I like the Smashbox or Smash Box. Smash clips. I like this Yes one. So I'll probably use that. Then, oh, some more embellishments. A tag, because why not? Maybe some of these Prima pearls. I haven't used those things in a long, long time. And then for letters, I like all of these. I feel like these all would work. I kind of really like these Amy Tangerine ones. I think they would really, really work. And then also just these thin black ones. Thicker hardcover chipboard letters. So there's my ideas. I don't even know where I'm going from here. I'm just going to let creativity take over and go with the flow and just lay things down and see how it works. Okay, so I am cutting this paper here to get the 2 different strips that I wanted. And now I'm going to fussy cut around this floral on this paper as well. And we're going to skip forward and voila, it's cut out. So now I'm just trying to figure out which background paper I wanted to put it on. So I'm going to end up deciding this beige color. And I'm trying to figure out how big I want to make some of my matte layers here for my photo. So I'm just going to fuss around on the paper, just figure out where I want my layout, how I want the papers to lay out on this page. So I'm just also trimming down the pages here because I do like the raw cut edges, not like the straight edges for this layout. So again, like I said, I'm just trying to figure out placements. Here I am using that grid beige paper that I used that the floral piece was on as my mat for the photo. And then I'm just inking the edges with a brown distress ink to give a matte or shadow effect kind of to the papers. Again, just cutting around the edges, making those raw cut edges for the papers. And I cut a little strip here from this blue. I wanted it thinner than how thick it was. And again, inking edges, doing it on that notebook, faux notebook paper. Now I'm going to glue down the papers to how I like them. So kind of still here fussing with them just to figure out placement and start gluing them down. Also, I'm going to glue that teal or that light blue, sky blue paper here to kind of anchor the mat onto the page. And then I'm going to add some pop dots to that back of that floral to kind of pop it off and give a little bit of dimension to this layout. So now I'm going to pull out some of this washi tape that I have and kind of establish where I'm going to do my embellishments. I do like to do the 3 points of basic embellishments here. I'm going to post this tag here as a background layer there as well. I cut it down because it's quite too long still to fit behind there easily. Trimmed off a little bit of the string as well. So now I'm going to put the smash little tag thing that I pulled out there against the photo. And I am going to fuss with to see where I want this frame, but I didn't like how it was giving the dimensions that it was giving to the layout, so I nixed it. Now I'm just going to fuss to see where I want to put these flowers and where I want to place them to match with the layout. And I'm going to use some Eileen's clear tacky glue to glue it down. Then I'm going to add my wood veneer camera that I wanted to add and also that chipboard camera to this layout. But first I'm going to add you saw me adding some washi tape there. So I'm just fussing around to see if there's any more places that I want to add some more embellishments that I have out before I go on to the next set of embellishments. So I'm going to pull out these label stickers that I have, and I kind of trying to figure out, I like that one because it had, you can't really see it in the photo, but or in the video right now, but the top and the bottom of where the quote was, it had like a brownish with the black polka dots, and I really liked that part of it, so that's why I trimmed off and stuck underneath, tucked in there underneath some of those embellishment groups. And same thing here with the hearts. I'm just tucking them behind into these little embellishment clusters. So now I'm trying to see where I want to put this other little sticker that I liked. I can't remember what it says. I have to look at the layout. I don't have it in front of me right now. And then I'm going to do some more of these word labels from this October afternoon. I know that one right there I'm fussing with right now says Good Times, and the one that I'm going to put up there at the top embellishment cluster is going to say Friends. So just kind of getting the placement here of how I want that little sticker to lay down, and then just kind of looking in here to see if there's anything else I want to add. I do decide to do this little sticker not label sticker, but sticker strip here. I cut it in, if you saw, I cut it in half to use it in 2 places. And then I'm going to pull this You and Me sticker that's a light blue because I just like the color. I didn't really want the the wording. I just want that pop of color back there behind those clusters. Again, I'm fussing with some wood veneer things to see if they would work. So now I'm going to take out these gem curly thingies and just fuss and see where I want to place them behind these flowers and add on to that. And then what am I doing next? So now I'm also adding this label sticker here to see if this is, oh no, added that label sticker, sorry, the date sticker. And now I am doing some of these enamel dots to give a little bit more color to these little embellishments here as well. And that'll be pretty much for the embellishments. And I think next I'm going to be going on to the title after I finish with these enamel dots and the journaling. So let's see, I didn't use those gold sequins either. So there's some things I pulled out that I didn't use, which I'm fine with. So like I said, here I'm going to be doing the title. I'm going to be spelling out Happy Birthday, Cat. I used the black lettering to spell out my friend's name, Cat. And then I really like these Amy Tangerines. I guess they're kind of like, what's that game? Yeah, Scrabble letters. So I'm going to spell out birthday, but it doesn't quite. Do I make birthday fit, or do I change it to B-Day? Or I'm looking at this gold here to spell it. Maybe I'm changing. I can't remember. Like I said, I don't have the layout in front of me right now to look at it. Yes, that's what I did. I ended up using these gold ones to spell out birthday, and then I'm going to use the teal Scrabble letter tiles to spell out happy. And here we go. We have birthday because it just worked. And I'm kind of going to overlap these goldy beige letters here from, I think those are beautiful mess letters, alphas, and overlap it to kind of give it some more dimension because it also to fit birthday there. And then there we go. Now I'm going to add the scrapbook, not scrapbook, the Scrabble letters. So here I have happy birthday, and then I'm going to add my journaling. I'm kind of looking, I think, to see where we were at and the date to make sure I have it all right on my phone there. And check the date down, and then checking to see what the place was called, the bar that we went to. So this will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and do all that great stuff, and have an awesome one. Bye.